Hey, I'm Cheyenne. Welcome to this part of the Rhino tutorial. First, draw a circle at the origin, 0, 0, 0. Switch to the front view and use the curve command to draw the shape you see. Adjust the curve by selecting and moving its control points as needed. Now, use the mirror command from the origin along the z-axis to mirror the curve. Select the mirrored curve and use the gumball scale tool to scale it horizontally by -1, flipping it vertically. Next, switch to the perspective view. Use the sweep 1 command. Select the circle as the rail and the two curves as the shapes. Press Enter. In the new window, enable Close Sweep and click OK. Now, run the Select Curve command to select all curves and delete them. Select the resulting object and use Offset Surface to give it thickness. Make sure Solid equals Yes in the command options. Next, run the Plane command. In the options, choose Vertical and draw a plane starting from the origin. Move the plane slightly away from the origin. Now, use the Array Polar command and create multiple copies of the plane around the origin as desired. Select all objects and run the Intersect command to generate the intersection curves. Delete all objects except the new curves. Use Planar Surface to create surfaces from the curves, then delete the curves. Use Offset Surface again, and this time, enable Solid equals Yes and both sides equals Yes to give the surfaces thickness. Now, create a cylinder using the Cylinder command starting from the origin. Finally, let's see how to apply materials in Rhino. Right-click on the Panels tab and enable Render Libraries. Choose the material you want. I'll go with wood. After selecting the wood material, I pick my desired wood type from the list below. To apply it, I select the objects, right-click on the material, and choose Assign to Objects. Next, I'll create a plastic material from the Materials panel. I select the cylinder, right-click on the plastic material, and choose Assign to Objects. You can modify the materials after assigning them. For example, I adjust the roughness of the wood material. To change the texture settings, click on the texture itself and enter its settings. For example, I rotate the base color texture by 90 degrees. After finishing the material setup, right-click on Panels again and enable Rendering. Go to the Rendering panel. Enable Ground Plane and turn on Sun under Lighting. You can adjust the sun angle in the Sun Settings window. Finally, modify the skylight intensity to control the overall lighting. Hope this tutorial was helpful.